most talents. Running and drawing are both my talents. Running. Running is the one most famous sport of all time. I have a good speed, but I don't know what my speed is. I sometimes lose, but I'm still proud. I love to run. I've been running since I was 5 to 4 years old. I love running. I hope I win this in the next sports day competition.
Those are shoes?
Nah, it's just I got my edit.
All right.
Facts about running. Fact 1. Running is a method of locomotion, letting people and animals to move on foot. Fact 2. Running is a type of characterized aerial phase in which all feet are on ground. Fact 3. Jogging speed is about 4 to 6 miles per hour. Drawing. Drawing can be like sketching the outlines and then showing it to your friends or families. I like to draw. I also drawn since I was 5 years old. I made monster trucks, tanks, planes, warships. I also love to draw. I've been inspired by everyone. I like drawing. Thing here. So this is a picture, just an imaginary picture. And here's the Boeing 747 like being protected by a F-16 or 15, and then M1 Abrams. Then an M1 Abrams from at the testing grounds in the testing grounds of the U.S. Fact 1. Scientists and research shows that art gives creativity and social development and self-worth. Fact 2. It also develops hand and eye coordination and coding skills and awareness talents that engineers and architects use. Fact 3. Art once actually used to be an Olympic event a long time ago. This is the end of the slides. Thank you for listening to me. I would thank you. I hope you like it. But I'm sorry if it's short. It's just like 4 to 6 slides. But I tried my best. Thank you. Kumasi! What's that picture that do I hear? What? What's that picture? I saw that and that do I hear? Oh, yeah, just like some fun thing, you know? What? What is matters to art? Oh, like everyone, like many people, even the class, like all of you. Hey, yeah. Oh, you said art is an Olympic sport. It used to was an Olympic sport. Yeah. What did they do with that? They were like competing for a beautiful drawing, like, you know. Oh, very nice hand. Austin, Texas. What is NBTF? NBTF. Oh, NBTF. Oh, you don't need the F, but it's an MBT is a main battle tank, which is like a tank that goes into main battles. Where are you? Why do you draw those kinds of drawings? Because I really, it's like fun, you know? Get it? Yeah. Aya? Why do you like drawing tanks? Oh, I started drawing when I was 5. I love like war